learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time for Practical Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 午好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. Wow, it's month of July, right in the middle of summertime. 现在刚好是7月份了哦，就是夏天暑假的最旺的时候。
对，好开心哦，
很开心。你喜欢热天气吗？
我喜欢啊。
哦，好热哦，怎么说 ？How do you say it? So hot.
很热哦。
很热哦 ，OK， 很热，那就是很热哦，就是这个语助词啊。
对，很热哦。
Okay, it's very hot. All the things we're talking about this month has to do with the heat. So let's teach you some of these phrases. 好，夏天到了，好热哦，我们就把它这个完整的句子教给大家。
OK， 热天到嘞。
热天到嘞，
很热哦，
很热哦。OK， 捏，听到很多捏，要来捏你啊！
不行啊，
就是很热，夏天的意思了。
对，
热天 that is actually summertime. It's so hot. 然后夏天热了会怎么样？
会一直流汗。
哎，其实我很喜欢夏天，很喜欢热，但是流汗是一个很讨厌的事情。
很好啊，
哦，
这样可以减肥哦。
哎，没错，新陈代谢也好。
对啊。
Okay, the second phrase we want to teach you is, yeah, it's so hot that, yeah, I'm sweating so much, right? 对啊，一直流汗，烦死了。
臭啊！
臭啊！
紧流汗，
紧流汗，
汗得你挠哦。
哦，汗得你挠哦，汗得你挠哦，是烦死人了，
对啊，
是不是？
好讨厌哦。
That last part means, man, this bothers me so much， 烦死了。OK，
对，那海陆腔的烦死，汗得你挠哦。
汗得你挠哦 ，OK， a slightly different dialect for again, it's bothering me so much 哦，所以这个时候呢，哎，其实开冷气当然最舒服啦，可是有的时候啊，为了要省电啊，有时候吹凉风，吹电风扇就可以了，对不对 ？OK, let's promote a green environment. If it's not that hot, maybe just turn on the fan, right? 开电风扇吧。
快天山啦！
快天山啦 ，OK， 天山就是电扇了。Oh, that means a fan, electric fan. All right, great. These are all very practical phrases that we might say. Let's review some of these vocabulary like 夏天 summer.
热天，
热天 and then it bothers me so much 烦死了
得你挠，
得你挠 and then sweating 流汗流汗然后开个电风扇吧
快天山
快天山 there you go certain phrases for you in this hot summer day
很热哦
没错就是好热哦 that means so hot 很热哦 that does for today's Practical Hakka
什么太嘎
俺只say 张来了
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.